Welcome to Daily News Headlines September 21, 2023. Headline number 1. Is Hollywood strike nearing end? Writers and producers hope to finalize a deal Thursday to end strikes that have crippled Hollywood and the movie industry for months, reports CNBC, citing anonymous sources. Incredible progress was made during Wednesday's negotiations, which included major CEOs, including Netflix's Ted Sarandos and Disney's Bob Iger. Both sides are meeting again Thursday, according to a joint statement by the unions. The strike has lasted for over 100 days, includes more than 11,000 writers, and has brought productions such as Netflix's Stranger Things and Marvel's Blade to a standstill. On the negotiating table include requests such as compensation that matches shows' success on streaming services. Headline number 2. Cisco buys Splunk for $28 billion. Cisco is making a big bet on cybersecurity, buying software company Splunk. The deal announced Thursday is worth about $28 billion, making it the network equipment giant's biggest acquisition to date. In a statement, Cisco CEO Chuck Robbins said the deal would help drive the next generation of AI-enabled security. The companies have discussed combining in the past, but talks fell apart, per Bloomberg. Cisco has been trying to reduce its reliance on its bread-and-butter network hardware business with a push into software. Headline number 3. Fed sees one more hike this year. The Federal Reserve held rates steady for a second time this year on Wednesday, as expected, with most officials projecting one more hike in 2023. The central bank also forecast rates would remain higher for longer, as it lifted its view on the pace of economic growth and lowered its expectations for unemployment. The bank, which has been fighting the fastest inflation in decades, raised its benchmark target by 0.25 percentage point to between 5.25% and 5.5% in July, a 22-year high. It would cut rates to 5.1% by the end of 2024, up from 4.6% estimated in June. Faster economic growth of an annual 2.1% in 2023, up from 1% forecast in June. A lower unemployment rate of 3.8% in 2023, down from 4.1% estimated in June. Slower inflation, excluding food and fuel prices, of 3.7% in 2023, down from 3.9% forecast in June. Headline number 4. UAW. Strike to grow if no progress. The United Auto Workers Union says the targeted strike against Detroit's Big Three will grow on Friday if serious progress isn't made. Both sides have dug in, so prospects for a resolution don't look good. Equal pay, including ending wage tiers, remains a big hurdle, and a union negotiator suggested to Bloomberg that Stellantis' latest offer will likely be rejected because it doesn't include job security guarantees. General Motors is also struggling to reach a deal. CEO Mary Barra told salaried staff Wednesday that union compensation demands are too expensive, while GM President Mark Roos accused UAW of propagating misinformation. Headline number 5. Small businesses hold rosier outlook. Optimism among small business owners is close to a pre-pandemic high, according to the Chamber of Commerce. The group's confidence index jumped 6 points in the third quarter to 69.2, suggesting the economy may be in decent shape. 2/3 of the survey's respondents said their business is in good health, a 9-point increase from the last quarter. But just 1/3 of those polled said the overall economy's health was good, and over half of small business owners said inflation is their biggest challenge. About 71% expect revenue to grow next year, which is the highest level since the survey began in 2017. Fact of the day. Nearly half of Americans age 18 to 19 live with family. Thanks for watching.